Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you some backgammon openings which will level up your game and make you a better player. When you roll a 1-1, the best way to do it is like this. 2 from here and 2 from here. In this way you block your opponent to escape from your house and make this row of 3 primes here. There's a risk that your opponent can hit you here, but don't worry, it is early in the game, so you will be fine. Another way to do this is to make the 5 point here and an anchor at the 2 point of your opponent. When I roll a 1-2, I like it to do it this way. I make 2 from here and 1 from here. When I roll a 1-3, I like to make the 5 point here. When I roll a 1-5, I like to do 4 from here and 1 from here. Don't make just 5 from here because you don't have any more options to play after that. You'll have less options to develop further down the game. And by doing this, you have multiple choices in the future, such as making this prime here, or to capture your opponent's 5 point, or make a prime right there. You have many other choices. When I roll a 1-5, I like to do 5 from here and 1 from here. When I roll a 1-6, I want to make 6 from here and 1 from here. This way I can block my opponent from escaping, and I have a nice 3 prime row here. Whenever I roll a 2-2, I like to do it this way. 2 from here and 2 from here. Whenever I roll a 2 and a 3, I like to make the 3 from here and the 2 from here. Whenever I roll a 2-4, I like to make a nice prime in my home, like this. Whenever I roll a 2-5, I like to make 5 from here and 2 from here. It is also okay if you make the 2 from here. It's at your own. Whenever I roll a 2-6, I like to make 6 from here and 2 from here. I like to run away with my checker. When I roll a 3-3, I like to do it this way, to block my opponent here. Another way to do this is by making a prime here on your 3rd point and an anchor here at your 4th point of your opponent. When I roll a 3-4, I like to make a 4 from here with the threat of making the 5th point in the future, and the 3 from here to help me develop in the future. When I roll a 3-5, I like to make a prime here. When I roll a 3-6, I like to make 6 from here and 3 from here. When I roll a 4-4, I like to make my 5 point here. 4 and 4. When I roll a 4-5, I like to either do 5 from here and 4 from here to help me develop further down the road, or I can make 5 from here or 4 from here with the threat of making the 5th point in the future. When I roll a 4-6, I like to make a prime right here. When I roll a 5-5, I like to make 5 from here and 5 from here. When I roll a 5-6, I like to run with my checker like this, 6 from here and 5 here to the safe point. Whenever I roll a 6-6, I like to block my opponent here and also run with the checkers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.